Whether it's practicing an important speech or rehearsing a piece of music, practice makes the man perfect. When it comes to pilot training, practice is doubly important. This is because flying a machine thousands of feet in the air is not your regular everyday activity. The stakes are much higher. Your life may be at risk too. So, practicing hard and practicing often is one of the foremost rules of becoming a better pilot. If you're piloting for recreational purposes, training often will not only make your journey that much easier, it will also give you a sense of self-confidence in your piloting abilities. Training safely with an instructor while practicing on your own is important. It is vital to have a mentor that can train you into being an even better pilot. Train with Master Instructor Dick Rochfort if you're planning on improving your flying skills in a Piper PA-46 aircraft. RWR pilot training owner and instructor Dick Rochfort offers top-notch pilot training and related services for the owners and pilots of the PA-46 aircraft. Get in touch now. For more details, visit www.rwrpilottraining.com.